Okay, my name is Alex, as Doug's already said. My channel is WP Eagle. I've been doing YouTube for a few years now, and the channel originally started as a kind of WordPress tutorial channel, just looking at WordPress themes and plugins and how to make websites with WordPress, that kind of thing. And then it naturally progressed into affiliate marketing, which was an area that I was interested in anyway. And now the focus of the channel is kind of all around how to use WordPress as an affiliate marketing business builder, I guess is how you'd say it. So some popular content on my channel right now is around one of my affiliate marketing websites. It's called bestroofbox.com, which we're going to be talking about hopefully today. But basically, I created this website in a video back in March, I think it was around that time. Did a full-length tutorial video on how I created the site, and then since then I've been publishing regular update videos on exactly what I've been doing to the site, all the work that I've been doing, all the content I've been adding. And I've also been sharing the results from the site, so the traffic numbers, the earnings, all that kind of thing. So hopefully people can follow along with what I'm doing and, you know, learn from my mistakes and learn from my successes and yeah, follow along.
Perfect.
And yeah, it's proven pretty popular.
Awesome. So at this point in time when we're recording it, the site is like roughly 11 months old or so, and
Yeah.
it's doing pretty well. So we'll be sharing some of the revenue numbers right now, but like in the last, say, 30 days or so, like, can you tell us just like the traffic and revenue so people understand that it's actually making some money and doing all right?
Yeah, it's doing okay. I mean, the thing is, it's in the roof box niche, I should say. So that's the boxes that you put on top of your car when you need to travel with more stuff. And that's obviously probably quite seasonal. I'm guessing that most people invest in a roof box when they're thinking about going camping in the summer. But yeah, for the last 30 days, the revenue from Amazon has been around $250, and the traffic has been, I think it was around nearly 6,000 users, something like that, 5,900, something like that. But it has been growing month on month. So I'm just excited to see what's going to happen in the summer, really.
Very good. So we're gonna kind of start at the beginning. And I'm curious because I personally don't share my own sites, and I try not to even share people in the audience. So if I do a live stream and someone's like, "Hey, will you look at my site?" I usually tell them no to try and protect them because I mean basically copycats are going to show up, people can do negative SEO. So Alex, why would you go public with this site? It's bananas.
I've not had any problems in terms of copycats. I've not seen any other roof box sites, but maybe there is. I don't think I've had any negative SEO. I think I would have spotted that. And the reason I feel that, you know, on YouTube especially, there is a lot of gurus out there. I don't know if they're all legitimate gurus or maybe some of them are fake gurus. I don't know. But there's a lot of gurus out there and they tell you a lot of stuff and they don't always show exactly, you know, what they've been doing. They'll tell you that they can help you make £1 million or whatever, and they'll often be standing in front of a Ferrari or Lamborghini or something like that. And I wanted to approach it from a different angle. I mean, I don't have anything to sell. I just really want to just share my story, and I'm hoping that my honesty and openness is what's going to, you know, differentiate me from the other guys that are out there, and that's why I want to be clear. And yeah, I've just been on a live stream right now. I've just literally finished, and yeah, people do share their sites with me, and I do bring them up on the screen, and we do look at them. And again, I've not heard of anyone that's had anything bad happen. I'm sure it does happen, but I don't know.